Welcome to my channel. Gillette Venus Smooth Razor is offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Gillette Venus Smooth Razor is durable design. Each blade refill lasts up to 1 month, based on twice/week shave. Just use and replace when you're ready for a new one. Ergonomic handle, designed with a soft grip gel to comfortably fit your hands. Save time, this razor has 3 built-in blades, shaving hair quickly and effectively. Shave right, not more. Soft shaving, made with protective elastomer comfort cushions around the blades. Features a blue indicator strip that fades when you're no longer getting the optimal shave. Check out the description to find the product link. Thank you for watching this video.